English journey. Most common words in English. Need. Need as a verb means you must have or do something. Require. Like if you're cold, you need a jacket. Excuse me, teacher, I need a pencil to write. Here you are, you can use mine. What is a collocation? A collocation is a group of two or more words that are often used together in a way that sounds natural to native speakers. Now it's time to learn about common English collocations for each word. Ready? Let's start. Need cleaning. Need assistance. Need the toilet. The room needs cleaning. Let's do it together. Accept, as a verb, means to take or agree to something. Refuse. For example, Sue accepted a heart-shaped gift from Bob on Valentine's Day. Accept a gift or present. Accept an invitation. Accept someone's proposal. Would you accept my invitation to the Valentine's Day party after school? That sounds wonderful, David. Help as a verb. To make something easier for someone. Assist. For example, in this picture, Emma is helping her mom to do the laundry. Could you help me cross the street? Of course, I would be happy to help. Help as a noun. Assistance. Need help. Give somebody help. Accept help. I need help learning English. I can help. Let's start with some basic words. Use, as a verb. This word means to do something with an object. For example, you use a chair when you sit on it. Use drugs. Use force. Easy to use. I need an easy-to-use phone for my grandmother. This model is easy to use. Information as a noun. What does it mean? It means facts or details about something. This website has information about common English words. I use it every day. Useful information. Give information. Need information. I'll give you information about the books. I'm excited to hear about them. Used is an adjective that means something is not new. For example, a used car is a car someone else owned before. Second-hand. Used clothes. Used cars. A used tissue. Do you buy used clothes? Yes, some used clothes are good. Fact as a noun. This word means true information. A sad fact. Hide the fact. An interesting fact. I found a channel that shares interesting facts. That's great. Can you share the link? Useful as an adjective. Helping you to get or want what you want. Useless. A useful tip. A useful tool. A useful way of doing something. This paint roller is a useful tool. I agree with you. It covers large areas quickly. Interesting as an adjective. If something is interesting, you like to look at or learn about. Uninteresting. Boring. For example, wow. This is an interesting bird. An interesting subject. An interesting article. I find art an interesting subject. Me too. Art is relaxing. Find as a verb. Get by searching. Discover. Find a job. Find something to eat. Find a solution. Can you help me find a solution for this puzzle? Sure, let's look at it.